Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make NVIDIA the default graphics card on Windows 11. I show you guys how to do it. Just need to go to search menu and type NVIDIA control panel. Click on open it. On left side under 3D settings, select adjust image settings and preview. Select this use the advanced 3D image settings and select apply to save changes. And then go to manage 3D settings. Under global settings you can able to see preferred graphics processor. Click on the drop down and select the NVIDIA graphics processor. After that select apply to save changes. If you are using laptop then the option will be available. In my case I'm in PC. Go to configure surround physics and under processor click on the drop down and select NVIDIA graphics card and select apply to save changes. Now under video tab, select the adjust video color settings. Select with the NVIDIA settings and select apply to save changes. Adjust video image and settings. Select this to edge enhancement. Select use the NVIDIA setting. Noise reduction. Select use the NVIDIA setting. Super resolution. Just check the RTX video enhancement and select apply to save changes. These are the new feature which comes with NVIDIA driver. If in your case the video option is missing, then you just need to search NVIDIA app and download the app. After getting download done, you just need to open it. Go to drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update, then update your graphics driver. After updating your graphics driver, you can able to see these options, guys. This is a new feature: noise reduction and edge enhancement and RTX video enhancement. And now just to close stuff here. Now you just need to open up the program you use for gaming. In my case, I use Steam and I will play PUBG. Just right click on the game and select properties. Go to install files and select browse. And now you just need to find the game file. This is the game file. Copy this file path and just to close tab here and go to search menu and type graphics settings. Click on open it. Under here select add desktop apps and paste the file path we copied and press enter. Select the game and select add. In my case I already added. Click on this drop down and select this to high performance. This will use NVIDIA graphics card and just to close stuff here. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.